and gentlemen, now we are making our way to K1. This is for the ISKA K1 area title. Making her way to the blue corner, Lillimae Marson.
Lillimae Marson fighting out of Baylang, facing off against Sienna, Abbott. Lillimae Marson sponsored
by JM Hughes.
The limited edition, the best of the best.
And we're here, just in case you didn't hear, it's 5 1.5-minute rounds of kickboxing for the ISKA British title, area title. My apologies. With a record of 2 wins and 1 defeat. Great fighter.
Can she extend that winning record tonight? Baylang is a very good gym, home to numerous very good fighters, numerous champions.
For this ISKA area title, K1. Making her way to the red corner, Sienna.
Oh, yeah, well, yeah.
K1 area title. In the blue corner, representing Baylang Kickboxing Academy. Tear the roof off for Lillimae, the troublemaker.
Plenty of noise for both fighters here. Big
oh yeah,
support.
the crowd has erupted for this one.
Big support in both corners.
In the red corner, representing Undisputed Fight Academy. Let me know you're here for Sienna Abbott.
Again, big support for both fighters.
K1.
I love K1 as well, me. Brutal. Expect some action in this one.
How does it affect both of the fighters with them both having such a big...
Oh, heavy leg kick there.
Such a big support for both of them. Does that add pressure fighting in front of a home crowd?
Well, it's... Oh, a nice inside leg kick there from Sienna. Oh, heavy body kick return though from Lily.
Nice. Both fighters getting stuck in early doors here.
This is toe to toe. Brilliant fight. Oh, nice inside leg kick. You don't need to hear it for it to hurt. Oh.
Nice. Both fighters exchanging good shots early.
And I've seen a lot of Sienna this camp as well. This is the best I've seen her. Sharp and dangerous. Oh, nice leg kick as well. It's like putting money in the bank. Nice knee to the face. I'd like to see some more knees being thrown here though from the inside. Like, yes, lovely stuff.
It's like both fighters heard you there.
Yeah, it was good, that was. When they come in close, that's when you throw it up. It really disrupts the motion. Nice teep there. Oh, heavy body kick return from Lily, and again. Sienna returning with a body kick of her own.
Yeah, been some great work from both fighters early.
Nice body kick there from Lily.
Yeah. And another to close
that
the
was
round
even,
out.
that
Yeah,
was,
another even round.
Very even.
A hard job for the judges. a nice easy one for us to commentate on. Plenty of action to talk about. Both fighters in the corners now soaking in some much valued advice from the coaches. Chris with a lot of emphasis on those kicks.
A lot of emphasis in that towel as well.
Oh wow. Yeah, so as I was saying, how does fighting in front of a home crowd, does that add to the pressure or does that take some of it off?
In all honesty, in my last fight I was fighting in Northern Ireland, and I did feel a hostile environment, and it did play a factor. I did come away with the win, as well as a broken hand, but I did come away with the win. So I think sometimes having the home crowd around you, it does add a bit of pressure.
Of course. Because all eyes are on you in the moment.
Exactly.
It's a feeling that both fighters here are experiencing.
It's
with
even
the
worse
noise.
having your parents there as well, because you know when you come out, there's going to be some tears.
Of course, win or loss. But both fighters seem to be coping under the pressure well here.
Neville, the undisputed coach, asking it to box in close. Oh, nice kick there from Lily.
Nice, a good
As I
little
said
exchange
before,
there
I'd like
too.
to see a couple more knees being thrown.
Yeah, you and me
Close
both.
range. Lily checking that kick and returning. It's been a very good fight though so far.
Yeah, definitely both fighters getting stuck in.
Sienna a little bit lighter on the toes.
Plenty of positives.
Good teep there though from Lily. Good head kick there, just bouncing off the gloves. Shin guard malfunction.
These things happen. Bit of breathing space for both fighters now to recoup. Chance for the coach to reiterate the game plans, albeit from a shout.
Nice leg kick. Very nice work there from Sienna. Definitely the aggressor.
That's time! End of round number 2. Yo, what are you gonna do? Now we got gold to review.
Good round there, very even. Sienna just edging that for me due to aggression and pressure. But Lily returning with some venomous shots of her own.
Yeah, for me it's a hard one, to be honest with you.
One. I'm enjoying the watch though.
Me
From
too.
a fan point of view,
Me
it's been
too.
a very good watch.
If I was a judge right now, I'd be hoping for a stoppage because I wouldn't know what to pick.
As I said to you before, I think Sienna's just edging this one for me. K1 is scored on aggression, and I feel like Sienna's the aggressor.
Well, let's see if she can continue that to the next round.
Nice leg kick there from Sienna, return by Lily. And again from Sienna. Good boxing in close. Close quarter combat. Nice leg kick, heavy shots there from Sienna. And again, Lily's leg is glowing now. If you need to get home after this, just follow Lily because her leg is glowing. Oh, lovely bit from Sienna there. Fake it and then go. That was really nice.
Nice, both fighters landing that exchange.
I'm still in awe over that hip feint, really, to be fair. That shows the levels, that does. As I said to you before, what separates the good from the great is
Abbott
feint.
really seems to be feeling that leg. She seems to be hopping.
Yeah, she's a lot more heavy on that front leg now. That was very nice from Lily, though.
The question
You've got to let
is,
the ref do his job.
can the corner of Marson pick up on that?
As I said to you before as well, Beilang's a very good
Nice!
A good barrage
right
from
the corner.
Yes!
Well done.
That was definitely an 8 count, 100%.
Really interesting finish there. Some well-worked
I'm not
shots.
sure how that wasn't an 8. I'm not a ref. I'm not a ref. I'm just a humble commentator.
Yeah, live, love, laugh.
Who wants a refresher? Who wants a refresher? Who wants a refresher? Yo is good, yo is good, yo is good refresher. Yo is good, yo is good, yo is good refresher. Yo, the yo is good. The yo is good. He wants a sweet.
Both fighters gearing up there.
Oh, good start from Lily.
Yeah, Abbott's leg really seems to be giving her some grief. I'm just not too sure if the corner of Marson have picked
Sienna
up on
holding centre ring very well. Lily fires a leg kick off her own, lands. Lily taking too many steps backwards. This is K1, it's scored on aggression.
Both fighters leading with kicks.
Sienna's been having some good success with the leg kicks in this bout. Oh, nice switch kick there.
Yeah, nice there.
Sienna pushing Lily back into the corner. Saved by the bell.
That's the end of round number 4.
Going into round number 5.
These are 5 rounds.
All of it still on the line here for the ISKA area title.
Who wants a sweetie?
Both fighters have 1.5 minutes to impress the judges or to find that stoppage, that so sought after stoppage. And we are underway with the final round. Only 1.5 minutes separates one of these two from walking out with the ISKA area title.
Good left up there from Sienna.
No!
Nice inside leg kick from Sienna. I'm not sure what the ref's doing, asking if she's okay. This is a fight. This isn't a play fight. This isn't a water fight. This is a fight.
This is war. Refereeing having that.
A pillow fight. This is a fight. Good right hand there from Lily. Sienna wears it well. I'd like to see some more knees being thrown here.
Yeah, definitely.
There's a lot of openings, but they're not going. Oh,
nice,
good knee
yeah,
there.
Nice.
Good switch knee.
Every time you say knee, one lands.
Maybe they should have me in the corner instead.
The time is running down. These are the fighters.
Nice.
Give them your energy.
The crowd really starting to wake up now.
Good fight.
Yeah, good show put on by both fighters. Now, to be honest with you, Mitchell, I don't know.
It has won that unanimous decision. Do you think?
100%.
K1 is scored on aggression, you see. And she was pushing Lily back the whole time. She looked a lot stronger, a lot more fit, a lot more... the cardio was visible.
Yeah, I agree. I think this one's going to be a bit closer than we think.
I disagree. Well done to both girls there. An action-packed fight.
Once again, ladies
I have Sienna up here 4 rounds to 1. Sienna winning the first 4 and Lily winning the last 1.
I think it's going to be a split.
No, I disagree here, Dion. Should we put a friendly wager on here?
Let's not.
Yeah, I think loser gets the next round in.
Is in the red corner, Sienna.
Well done, Sienna. But well done to both girls. That was an action-packed bout, that was. Excellent matchmaking made by the JackHammer UK team.
And a well-deserved title there for Sienna.
Another one to add to the collection.
Please give it up for Lillimae Marson.
Well done, Sienna Abbott.